What is up, YouTube family? Back for another video. So today we got a house wash to do. I'm gonna show you guys the house wash in a second, along with cleaning the brick chimney on the house. So here's the house we gotta do. Not too big, not too crazy. Remember guys, always, let me flip my mic for you. Remember guys, always when you're doing your walk around before you start work, document damages. So look at the screens. Look at the paint right there. That type of stuff. Look at the, faded. So this is stuff you could get blamed for, if you don't document it. So no matter what, look right there, more damage. Document it, save yourself. All around, paint's messing, screens are jacked up. So just note these things, and that way, and here's our dirty side right here, if you can get a better look at it. If you note these things, it will save you some headache, because a lot of times we do work and the customer may not be home, and so people don't look at their houses that closely at all. People are in and out every day. They don't pay attention to their homes until you wash it, and then they turn into eagles. They see everything. So be sure to document. Every time you go do a house, do any job, document, save yourself. Anyway guys, this is what we got. Like I said, not a big house, not gonna take too long. What's up, doggy? You don't look too nice. Oh, you got a little baby bark though. Anybody scared of you? Anyway guys.
Like the cool blue light, 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 like the cool blue light.
So the job is complete. I'm gonna show you guys the after. Everything is good to go. But I know you guys are concerned about, let's go see the main side. I did end up having to pull my ladder out, unfortunately. But let's see what we got, guys. So here we are. Here's the after. You can see the chimney looks a whole lot better. No more mold and mildew. Bottom, and there we go. Fitting ahead to the last job of the day. Just got one side to do. It's gonna take me probably like 25 minutes and I'll be in and out. Anyways, I will see you guys next time on the Zay Wooden Journal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, peace out.